$528,000, $30,500, and $80,600 per month. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing YouTube automation video. In this video, I share how you can earn money by copy-paste video on YouTube and earn easily $15,000 to $20,000 per month without creating videos, only copying from Google and pasting it on YouTube. You can see, this channel has 439k subscribers with 531 uploads, and earn approximately $33,000 to $528,000 per month by copy-paste fitness videos on YouTube, and this channel gains 132.201 million views in the last 30 days. Every video on this channel gains millions of views because people like fitness videos. Check another proof, this channel has 217k subscribers with 121 uploads, and earns easily $1,900 to $30,500 per month with implement the same copy-paste strategy. The channel gained 7.925 million views in the last month and gained millions of views on every single video. Check this last example, this channel has 1.05 million subscribers with 833 uploads and earns $5,000 to $80,600 per month by copy-paste fitness and workout videos on YouTube. And this channel gains 20 million views in the last 30 days and also gained millions of views on every single short and long video. This is a complete YouTube automation tutorial. I share how you create the fitness videos like these channels, upload them on YouTube and earn thousands of dollars every month by a step-by-step complete guide with copy-paste strategy. Before watching this video guys, please smash the subscribe button and like this video for more money-making videos like this. Without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. The first step, go to youtube.com and create a brand new fitness or workout channel on YouTube. If you do not know how to create a YouTube channel, there are lots of videos available on this topic. After creating a brand new channel, do these few settings to rank faster on YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio, go to Setting option, and go to Channel section. Select your country and add a few fitness or workout related keywords to rank faster on YouTube. Now go to Advanced Setting and set this channel as not made for kids. After this, go to the Feature Eligibility section and verify your channel with your phone number. Now, how to get unlimited content from Google and paste it on YouTube. Complete copy and paste method. You do not need to create videos. Go to google.com, search fitness GIF, go to the images section. For example, I click one of these GIFs. Amazing, you can see, these are all GIFs mean animated images. Download 5 to 6 GIFs related to one exercise for editing a full video. If you are watching the video now, please guys a thumbs up on this video because a lot of effort has gone into making this video for you. After collecting content from Google, it's time to edit a full short video. For editing I use an online editing tool called Canva. If you do not know about Canva, Canva is free to use online graphics and video editing tools for creating, link in the description, go and register on canva.com. After creating an account, go to the search section and click on YouTube Shorts. Click on blank shorts template. You can also create long videos for YouTube. But sometimes it is hard to rank higher on YouTube with long videos. You already know shorts video easily go viral and gain millions of views. Now, go to the upload section and select the GIF images that you have downloaded from Google. Select and click on import. Drag this GIF images one by one and adjust according to your creativity. Add some text to make it more eye-catching and amazing. Simply go to the text option, drag this text here, and change the background color. This is a very important step. Make at least 2 duplicate pages to make 15-second short video, and add some background music on this video. Watch this video after editing. Click on the download button, select the file format to MP4, and click on download this video. The last and very important step, upload this video on YouTube with the right strategy. Now I display my mobile screen to show you how to upload a short video on YouTube. Open the YouTube app, click on the plus icon, and click on Upload Short, select your video, and press Next. Very important step, add an eye-catching or amazing title with proper keywords and add at least 2 fitness-related hashtags in the title. Select visibility to the public, and click on upload this short video. With this short video uploading method, your video goes viral and gains millions of views. Work on this copy-paste YouTube automation method for at least 3 months guys, your video also goes viral like these fitness channels. For Shorts monetization, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on the channel in the last 90 days. This is very easy because fitness shorts easily gain millions of views, and you can also promote affiliate products to earn more money. Hey guys, in the previous, I share a trick on how to earn $26,700 on YouTube without creating videos. Link is in the description. You can also watch this video. I hope guys you love this video. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video for more money making content ideas, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned.